Hello everyone. So I'm trying to make dangles for some future journals. I thought this one was really cute. But I want to show you how I go about making dangles. I don't make dangles very often, so this is what I got. Very small piece here. It has an end at it. It's like a pin. Let's see if I can find what I want here. There we go. So we got one small one there. I'm going to add this one here. And I have these like little spacer things. Again, I'm just adding beads onto it. If I don't like the look, I won't, or I'll change it, but I normally go in a pattern type shape here. And I just keep on going with that pattern. And sometimes I lose the bead in the process. Again, I think it gives off a really cool look doing different pieces throughout. Sometimes the pieces don't fit or don't work for this. Sometimes they do. That one is not going to, so I move on to a different one. But I just, again, keep going till I choose to stop. Sometimes they're longer, sometimes they're shorter. Ah, that one just fell on the ground. I don't really like that one for this particular piece. So I'm deciding to stop right there. This is where I try to bend it, and then you take the end of it and you bend it back towards you. Now this is the only pliers I have on hand at the moment, so I'm kind of just working with what I have. And then I grab a grommet open it up, put it in, And voila, we got ourselves a dangle. So let's make another one. Again, I'm just doing this completely random. It doesn't necessarily have to have a rhyme or reason to it. We're going to use a black one this time. And then we're going to do this one. Then we're going to go to this one. Then these spacers, which I think are really pretty. Back to this one. Again, you can make it in any pattern you really want to, and it's going to turn out on this one. I think it's at its end, so I'm going to add this in and one of these in. Nope, I'm just going to add that in. And again, I'm just turning it to its side. Try to make it as straight as possible there, and then turn it into itself to the best of my ability and close it up. So you close this part to the best of your ability. And I like these in threes, so different looks to different ones. So let's do one more together. Oh, these like metallic blue ones sitting here. All right. Again, I just change the pattern every single time. Sometimes they look a little bit random, sometimes they don't. All depends. But this is a very basic way, I guess, of making dangles. I mean, some people are very particular about how they make it. Some people are not. Again, it's kind of one of them. You're to each your own. Get as creative as you want with it. I'm just doing what I am comfortable with. Nothing more, nothing less, just what I'm comfortable with. And I think one more will do. that, and then this, and we close it. I apologize if you hear my daughter getting upset. She's playing games on her tablet and getting irritated with the tablet. So there we go. We got ourselves a little dangle for a future journal. They look very different, but again, different journals need different dangles. So I think if you take out your beads, this is a great way to use your seed beads, especially in some of your semi-big beads, and great for journal making. I've been wanting to make dangles for the first time for a while. I think this definitely is a beautiful way and to use beads, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much, but again, I've never really done the whole dangles for the journals type idea before. Thought this might be a good way to use up my beads, because I have quite a bit of a collection of beads, mostly seed beads though, not a lot of glass beads or anything else like that. Not very big beads for the most part, just small ones. So this is a great little way of using them and your garment pins. So I hope you again enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the stuff down below and enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye!